In this video, you will see some of the drama in our life just before Christmas. Since Christmas is quite stressful, let's start off this video with a peaceful morning breakfast scene. And this morning after breakfast, I decided to make the Swedish lingonsylt.
Today we're cooking lingon berries.
Doing jam.
Lingon berries. What is it called?
Making jam.
Making jam.
With the sweet jam.
Too small, this pot. Need a bigger pot, then it has more milk.
The jam is very easy to make. All you need is some berries, some sugar, and these preservatives. This will help to keep the jam fresh for a longer period of time in the refrigerator. And since there's only 2 of us in the family, preservative is really good to have. And we can enjoy this for a longer period of time. To sterilize my microwave, I put the lemon in water and then boil them in the microwave so that the steam will get rid of the smell. At the same time, my jam are ready. Now I just need to turn off the stove and let it cool down. I like to use the natural ingredients when doing cleaning. So, lemon, vinegar, it has always been my good friend when it comes to cleaning in the kitchen. To get rid of the yucky smell from the tablecloth, I used to clean them and then boil them in hot water for at least 5 minutes before I reuse them. It was 2 days more before Christmas and still we are seeing some greeneries outside. Don't know whether this year will be a white Christmas. And some small breaks can be really good. LG bought Siri a Christmas outfit and she doesn't seem to like it at all. Poor Siri, that must be a real torture. And I could easily relate it to how she feels, just like my mom forcing me to wear some Chinese New Year clothes. This can be a trauma. Look at the way she walks. Poor girl. Putting clothes on animal is so unnatural, I find. Animals should be animal. Let them be animal. Maybe this can be cute for some people who have pets. And as you can see here, she didn't really like it. See, she tried to get out of her costume as much as possible. I don't know why, during this time I miss Asian food extremely. Because I know that a lot of Swedish food is on its way and it will last for a several days of feast. So I better make use of this chance to eat as much Asian food as possible so that, I will not feel like I was craving. If you are an Asian, you sure know how this feels like. It's not that we feel like eating Swedish food is a torture. But to me, it's somehow like, a small craving that build up like a snowball and eventually it become a giant snowball.
Me and LT, we're going to compete with each other. We're going to blow off these candles. So, you want me to start or you start first?
Stop.
So I have to sit here and blow away and see if I can blow this under 3 blow, right?
Mm-hmm.
1, LG's turn. We are like kids, isn't it? Done it. Okay, now your turn.
Victory! Victory!
Take your turn. She's cheating because just now he saw that I was inside and then he practiced. So he's not really genuine.
I tried to figure out the difference between sitting here and sitting there.
Ah,
That's right.
of course there is
Right.
long
Yeah, it's longer.
further.
The other thing we like to do before Christmas is to exercise. Because we are so scared of putting on weight during Christmas. And also, maybe our clothes fits better before that. We are so blessed that we have a small room on the basement where we could train ourselves. Weeks ago, we invested in this mini gym. Hopefully, this will help us to stay healthier. Because of the pandemic, all the gyms are closed. So we feel like investing in a gym at home, it can be a quite good investment so that we don't have to go out to take risks, and also we could train more during the winter. Look at LG, he's super strong, right? He is 65 and 1.53 centimeter tall, and the weight 75 kilo he's lifting. I bought this flower, but then somehow it go bang. So at the end, I have to use a wire to tie them together with a lamp in order for them to stand straight. If you guys have any trick, let me know in a comment. I would like to know how to fix this. And today, our plan is to go out to be Christmas father and mother, distributing Christmas presents and greeting cards. Since we are not allowed to meet our family and friends, we thought, why not hand deliver all the gifts and the greeting cards, put them outside the house, and let them know that we still care. Those that are far away, we stand by post, but those that are staying nearby, we drove the car around the neighborhood, making sure that we didn't forget anyone. Somehow, we feel like we are Santa's assistant. Here, LG is delivering some cards and gifts to his sister and his stepdad. And during this time of the year, most people are not at home because they are busy shopping at the shopping mall. We have this like a post box where you could put your gift, and then when the person came back, he can receive the gift from the post box. This took us less than an hour because all of them are staying so close to us, while I sit back and enjoy the view of the Christmas spirits. Unfortunately, there will not be any Christmas gathering at the church this year. Swedish people like to use oranges, like we call in Singapore 拜家, but then they use the oranges to decorate their home. So when you step into a Swedish home, you will probably smell mostly oranges and cloves. It's not really that difficult to make, as you can see here. Usually people like to hang this in the kitchen or at the entrance. I love craft, and this is what I did also the other day. Some paper Christmas tree to be hung at the window. This Christmas tree are so easy to make. Let me show you how to do this. And here are all the things you need to make this Christmas tree.
LG never listened. I told him we don't need 2 cars. He go and service the other car, and then now it has problem. Now I have to go and pick it up. Damn it.
As you can see, I was quite pissed. Why is it not enough with just 1 car, LG? After a couple of hours, we came home and I was craving for pork chop, the Singapore style. So we decided to just enjoy a glass of wine, a piece of steak, and just chill out in front of the televisions. In our family, on the 23rd of December, we like to watch this program called Bingo Lotto, where you could win money from lottery. And we sit in front with a pile of smoked shrimps and some biscuit, with some cheese of course, and hoping that we will win some money. In fact, I almost became a millionaire that night. I was just lacking of just 1 number. Otherwise, can you imagine? I could be a millionaire. And tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Tonight, we are just going to enjoy the evening. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make this Swedish Christmas ham. This recipe will give you the most juiciest, tasty ham you ever made. This recipe is so easy to make, you can make them last minute. And also using this crock pot to cook the Swedish porridge under 12 minutes. If you like this video, why not give it a thumbs up? Have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in my next. God Jul.